Okay. So today we are going to see today we are going to see a new concept or in classification, that is cumulative frequency. Now what exactly is cumulative frequency? Now the meaning of the word cumulative यानी you all know accumulate करना यानी इकट्ठा करना. So cumulative यानी again bringing them or adding them up, frequencies are added together, that is basically cumulative. I'll give you an example, okay? Let's say we have a test. It's just an example, okay? तो ऐसा कोई टेस्ट होता नहीं है, but let's say there is a test of 5 marks. So variable is, okay, let's say कि उसमें किसी को भी जीरो नहीं मिलता, okay? ऐसे भी कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं है जो 5 मार्क में जीरो लेके आते हैं. So marks scored by student is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then frequency is given 3, 7, 10, 8 and 2. So there are total 30 students. You can also scribble this if you want, okay? It's for conceptual understanding. Now, over here, if I ask you that how many students are there who scored more than 3 marks, or those students who scored 3 or more than 3 marks, can you tell me? 3.
Sir, 20.
20. तो कैसे 20 फाइंड किया? 10 plus 8, 10 plus 8 plus 2. How many students are there who scored less than 3 marks? 3 marks से कम मार्क लेके आए बच्चे.
10 students.
10 students. So 7 and 3 यानी 2 mark या 1 mark. So now here the data is very small numbers are there. So you can just by seeing visually give the reply. But if the data is bigger or numbers are bigger and we want to have a ready-made format of this, so what we do is we find out two types of cumulative frequency. One is less than type, other is more than type. Now what exactly is less than and more than? In less than, I want to find the data like less than or equal to 1 mark, how many students, less than equal to 3 marks, how many students, less than equal to 4 marks, how many students, less than equal to 5 marks, how many students. So first category is a less than type cumulative frequency I want to find. ध्यान दो please. So for less than type, arrow is like this. So less than equal to xi, यानी x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Different values of x. So less than 1, less than equal to 2, less than equal to 3, less than equal to 4 and less than equal to 5. I'll make a table like this. ध्यान देना please. Cumulative frequency denoted by CF. CF is cumulative frequency. And CFI is what? Cumulative frequency for first observation, for second, for third, for fourth, for fifth. So cumulative frequency. Now you only tell me less than equal to 1 mark. How many students are there?
1.
1 student.
Sorry, 3.
3 students. Yes, very good. 1 student, 9. 3 students are there who got less than equal to 1 mark. Okay, less than equal to 2 marks. How many students are there?
7.
7.
Are you sure?
10.
10. Sorry, 10.
10.
Yes. कैसे आया 10? 3
3 plus 7.
क्योंकि 2 या 2 से कम मार्क्स लाने वाले 2 मार्क लाने वाले 7 स्टूडेंट और 2 से कम मार्क्स लाने वाले ये 3 स्टूडेंट. So 3 plus 7 which is equal to 10. Less than or equal to 3 marks, how many?
20.
20.
20.
20.
So 10 plus 10 20. ये 10 तो ऑलरेडी थे ही. 2 या 2 से कम. तो 3 मार्क्स लाने वाले कितने स्टूडेंट? 10 स्टूडेंट. सो 10 plus 7
28.
20.
28.
28.
28.
28.
And next one, less than.
30.
30.
30. 30.
तो यहाँ पे हमारा ये आंसर आ गया. तो वी हैव दिस रेडीमेड टेबल विद अस. लेट्स गो फॉर जो आंसर नहीं दे वो प्लीज म्यूट कर दो बिकॉज डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत आता है फिर. नाउ if we go for more than type, so x more than, so arrow goes to the right, more than equal to और उसका cumulative frequency, so more than equal to 1 2 3 4 5. ऐसे कितने स्टूडेंट है जिनके मार्क्स एक या एक से ज्यादा है? एक या एक से ज्यादा ऐसे कितने
Sir,
स्टूडेंट?
30. 30.
पूरे का पूरा 30. 2 या 2 से ज्यादा है तो 2 या 2 से
27.
so यानी
27.
7 plus 10 plus 8 plus
27.
yes 27. or can I say 30 minus
27.
which is 27. यानी ये सब 30 में से ये 3 निकल गए तो रह गया 27. 3 या 3 से ज्यादा
20. 20.
से 27
20.
is 24 या 4 से ज्यादा 4
10.
या 4 से ज्यादा 10 और 5 या 5 से ज्यादा
2.
2.
नाउ ध्यान दो हमने ये कैसे किया. लेस देन टाइप में आता हूं मैं सबसे पहले. फर्स्ट तो फर्स्ट 1 लिख दिया पहला तो लेस देन इक्वल टू 1 रिमेन्स द सेम 3. फिर क्या किया 3 plus 7 10 10 plus 10 20 20 plus 8 28 28 and 2 30. समझ में आ गया सबको ये? ओके. नाउ
Yes, sir.
लेस देन टाइप में क्या किया हमने तो मैं इसको निकाल देता हूं. नाउ लेस देन टाइप में let me take some under the color. Okay. Now sorry more than type में क्या किया हमने more than equal to 1 all of them. So more than equal to 1 is 30. फिर more than equal to 2 so आ गया 30 minus 3 which is equal to 27. 27 minus 7 which is equal to 20. 20 minus 10 which is equal to 10. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. तो ये 2 और ये 2. तुम लॉजिकली भी सोचना 5 या 5 से ज्यादा लाने वाले कितने बच्चे? सिर्फ 2 ही बच्चे हैं. 5 से ज्यादा तो है ही नहीं बट 5 या 5 से ज्यादा सो दैट इज 2 स्टूडेंट. सो ये 2 आ गया. 5 या 5 से कम कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? 5 या 5 से कम तो ये 30 और ये 30 मैच हो गया. यहाँ पे ये 30 से चालू किया 2 पे आए. यहाँ पे 3 से चालू किया 30 पे आए. सो this is how we prepare less than type and more than type cumulative frequency. Now first type of cumulative frequency we are going to see for discrete data. So numbers like this are given, no classes are given, frequency is given. We find out less than and more than. Let's go to a sum. Are you all able to view this? Illustration number 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, all of you come to illustration number 6. Let's read the question first. Illustration 6 is given on page number 24. अगर तुम book बंद करोगे तो भी चलेगा. Otherwise, you can see the illustration now. A frequency distribution of number of children in 50 families of a region is as under. Number of children are given 0, 1, 2, 3. Number of families are given 10, 25, 12, 3. So frequency is given and variable is given. Number of kids are variable and number of families. So we count कि 0 kids वाले कितने family, 1 kid वाले कितने family, 2 kids वाले कितने, 3 kids वाले कितने family. So total 50 families are there. Obtain less than type and more than type cumulative frequency distribution from these data. So first let's make a format. So पहले हम less than type का format बनाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारे सामने the format I have already made. So please make a format. Give a heading like this: less than type discrete cumulative this frequency distribution. Number of families 10, 25, 12, 3 and total 50. Yes. नहीं हो. Let's start with the answer. Number of children less than or equal to. So 0 kids, 1, 2 and 3. Calculation. Now first one you always calculate manually. 0 या 0 से कम कितने परिवार है? So there are 10 families. So first I write 10. In calculation I don't do anything because directly 10 ka 10 I am writing. Now less than type cumulative frequency distribution is very important when you will do median, quartile, decile, percentile in the next chapter. For every sum what we do, we have to find out less than type cumulative frequency distribution. If in exam you are asked this question that prepare a cumulative frequency distribution, so always if nothing is given, it is always less than type. But be careful, if in your exam they ask you only cumulative frequency, I would recommend both because we don't know what your teacher is expecting. But generally less than cumulative frequency, nothing is given, means it is less than type. Now, less than equal to 0, 10, less than equal to 1. So how we will calculate 10 plus 25, which is
35.
35, 35.
then less than equal to 2. So either you can do 10 plus 25 plus 12, which will become very lengthy. Okay, in the textbook it is given, but I suggest you go for directly 10 plus 25. तो था ही तुम्हारे पास, so directly 35 plus 12 कर दो, which is equal to 47, and then less than equal to 3 is this 45 plus this 3. So 45 plus 3, which is
So
equal
47.
to,
Yeah.
sorry, 47.
सर 47 होगा
37.
Okay, sorry. 35 plus 12, 47. And then 47 plus 3,
50.
equal to 50. Now, how did we do this? 10. 10, cut 10, then 10. 10 plus 25, which is 35. 35 plus 12, which is 47. 47 plus 3, which is equal to 50. So 10 cut 10, 10 plus 25, 35. 35 plus 12, 47. 47 plus 3, 50. Now, we go for more than type. Again, write the heading, more than type, cumulative frequency distribution, discrete. Families 10, 25, 3, so 10, 25, 12, and 3, total is 50. More than, number of children more than or equal to. So greater than, equal to sign over here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Calculation. Okay, now ध्यान दो please. First one you always do manually. More than 0 या 0 या more than 0 kids वाले कितने family है? All of them more than or equal to 0. So families are 50. Now more than equal to 1. So ये 50 में से ये 10 निकाल दो या फिर 25 plus 12 plus 3, which comes to 40, or we do it this way, 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. Then more than equal to 2. So 40 minus 20,
12
25, which is equal to 50, and more than equal to 3. So 15 minus 12, which is equal to 3. Now, one way is you do it this way. Other way you want to do. So first is 50, 10 plus 25 plus 12 plus 3. I'll do that calculation also. Okay. So 10 plus 20.
सर ये 40 minus 25 समझ नहीं आया.
समझा था. कौन सा वाला? ओके पहले हम
तो 40 minus 25.
ओके 50 minus 10 which is equal to 40. अब यहां पे आ गए हम 40 लिख दिया हमने. I'll delete this. Now more than equal to 2 यानी क्या 12 plus 3 कर लो या 50 में से 10 भी माइनस कर दो 25 भी माइनस कर दो. सो डायरेक्टली 40 में से हमने माइनस कर दिया ये 25, which is equal to 15, and then 15 में से हमने माइनस कर दिया 12, which is equal to 3. See, I'll show it to you like this. This will be easier for you to understand. See, let's say यहाँ पे CF है, तो पहला more than equal to 0 50, फिर 50 minus 10 40, फिर 40 minus 25, 15, फिर 15 minus 12, that is 3. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or what you can do, if you don't want to go like this, then you can do is addition also. How? I'll just show it to you. In this calculation, first you take is 10 plus 25 plus 12 plus 3, which is equal to 50. Then next में 25 plus 12 plus 3, which is equal to 40. Then 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15, and then 3 equal to 3. So you can do it this way also, but somewhere I feel this negative minus karna would be easier as per me. If this plus is easier for you, you can go for plus. Okay, you can put a finger कि 10 जो है 50 में से 50 में से 10, 40, 40 में से 25, 15, 15 में से 12, 3 और 3 में से 3 0, पर उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है बिकॉज 3 तक ही है. So that's how you can do it. We are going to now we are going to see how we are going to make cumulative frequency distribution from a continuous frequency distribution. Now continuous frequency distribution can be either exclusive or inclusive. So first we are going to see for exclusive, that is relatively easier, and then the method of finding cumulative frequency remains the same, but then there is certain thing more you have to do when it is inclusive. So we start with illustration number 7. Now, a frequency distribution of monthly income of 500% is as under. Obtain less than type and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Now, monthly income is given, so they are our classes 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. You can see repetition over here. So what type of frequency distribution is this? This is
Exclusive.
exclusive. So
Exclusive.
I'll write exclusive. Okay. So this is less than, this is exclusive frequency distribution, because जब हम tally mark करेंगे तो अगर 35 आया तो कौन से क्लास में जाएगा? वो जाएगा 35 to 40 में. तो ये 35 हम नहीं लेंगे, ये 40 हम यहाँ पे नहीं लेंगे, ये 40 हम यहाँ पे लेंगे, ये 35 हम यहाँ पे लेंगे, ये 45 यहाँ नहीं लेंगे, यहाँ पे लेंगे, 50 यहाँ पे नहीं लेंगे, यहाँ पे लेंगे, 55 यहाँ पे नहीं लेंगे, यहाँ पे लेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हम जो एक्सक्लूड कर रहे हैं इसके लिए हम इसको कहते हैं एक्सक्लूसिव फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. नाउ first we find out less than type. So what you guys do is you first write the heading, make this format, write this question, and then wait for me. Don't start doing it. Okay, there are certain things you need to be careful while you do this, and that is why you just write the question and then wait for me. Please pay attention. It's really very important, students. Okay, because otherwise you'll make some mistake in your exam. Your answer will go wrong. Now, when you are given a continuous frequency distribution like this, so you have a continuous frequency distribution over here. You have number of persons over here, that is frequency, Now you have to prepare less than type and cumulative frequency. Now, what to write over here? So over here, you start with the lower limit of the first class, that is 25, and you end with upper limit of the last class. इसको हम कहते हैं लोअर लिमिट, इसको हम कहते हैं अपर लिमिट. तो अपर लिमिट ऑफ द लास्ट क्लास. सो यहां पे यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम 25, then 30. Now, okay, so you write 25, then you write 30, then you write 35, then 40, then 45, then 50, then 55, and then 60. Don't forget the 60. So you start with 25, you go up to 60 over here. That's the first step. Now, less than, ध्यान दो please, on the screen please, less than 25. 25 अगर है तो यहाँ पे टैली मार्क आ जाएगा. सो जिसका मंथली इनकम 25,000 है उसको ये 30% में हमने गिन लिया है. पर 25,000 से कम कितने हैं? कैन यू टेल मी हाउ मेनी?
0.
हाँ, कोई भी नहीं है, तो ये हो गया हमारा 0. Is this
0.
And that is why, my dear students, या किसी को कोई डाउट है?
सर इसमें लेस देन और इक्वल टू 25 है.
लेस देन
तो आपने
वो गलत है टेक्स्ट बुक में. लेस देन 25, बिकॉज अगर इक्वल टू 25 है तो ये 30 के अंदर आ गया है. तो हियर ऑल्दो इट इज रिटन लेस देन इक्वल टू, बट इट इज एक्चुअली लेस देन ओनली. You agree with me?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Agree with me? So,
Yes.
technically it is less than, although commonly used as less than equal to, but मैं जो technically correct है वो explain करना चाहता हूँ तुम्हें कि यहाँ पे less than क्यों लिखा है. Equal to इसके लिए नहीं लिखा, because 25 से कम जो है वही 0 है. हो सकता है कि ये 30 के 30 लोगों का सैलरी 25,000 हो. ऐसा भी पॉसिबल है ना. हमारे पास वो रॉ डेटा तो है नहीं. यू अग्री विथ मी? दैट इज हमने लिखा है लेस देन ओवर हियर. अगर तुमने लेस देन इक्वल टू लिख दिया तो तुम्हारे टीचर शायद गलत नहीं दे, बट मेरे हिसाब से वो टेक्निकली रॉन्ग है, बिकॉज लेस देन 25 is 0. Equal to 25 we don't know, we don't have the number. ओके, बट लेस देन 30 तो हमें पता ही है 30 से कम जो है वो पूरे के पूरे 30 लोग हैं. लेस देन 30,000, हाउ मेनी पीपल आर देयर? सो 30. कैसे आया ये 30? 0 प्लस 30 प्लस ये 30. फिर नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे? ये 30 प्लस 8, दैट इज 110. समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
110 plus 100, so आ गया
210.
210 plus 50 is 260 plus 80
410.
410.
410.
260 plus 150 is 410 plus
490.
490.
and 490 plus 10
500.
500. पता चला ये 60 तक क्यों जाना है. अगर तुम
Yes.
60 तक नहीं गए तो ये 50, तुमने ये लाइन फॉलो किया कि यहां से लेके यहां तक ही जाना है तो 55 तक जाना है. नो, गलत. यू हैव टू गो टिल 60. सो कैसे आया ये? I'll just draw the lines to make you understand. 0 plus 30 is 30. 30 plus 80 is 110. 110 plus 100 is 210. Plus 50 is 260. Plus 150 is 410. Plus 80 is 490. And plus 10 is 500. Now this 500 and this 500 should match. अगर ये मैच नहीं हो रहा है, it means यहाँ पे कोई गलती हमसे हुआ है. तो हमें find out करना है what mistake we have made. Please do this. You can also make arrows, okay, with pencil initially, and then you can put your finger and just do it. You can watch my classroom lecture where I have explained this. That is lecture number 3. Okay. All of you have done this? Should we go to the more than type? Okay. Write the question, make the format for more than type. Write the question, make the format. Now here you can see more than equal to I have used. I'll explain why I have done that while we do the sum. Over here, we have to make more than type cumulative frequency distribution showing monthly income of 500 people. Now, again, when we write more than, now more than equal to. So we start with again the lower limit of the first class, that is 25, and we will go till upper limit of the last class. So we write over here 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. This is important. Don't miss this out. So whether it is less than or more than, start with the lower limit of the first class, go up to upper limit of the last class. Okay, please take care. Now, cumulative frequency. Now, why I'm writing more than equal to over here? Because 25 का टैली मार्क भी 25 to 30 में आएगा. So 25 या 25 से ज्यादा कितने लोग हैं? Can you tell me?
500.
500 people.
Yes.
पूरे 500. Okay, I'll just insert one column over here for calculation. So पहला directly 500. Now second one.
470.
470.
470.
500, yes, 500 minus 30, which is equal to 470. फिर क्या किया? 470 minus 80, which is equal to 390.
390.
क्या किया? 390 minus
290. 290.
yes, which is equal to 290. 290
240.
240.
which is equal to 240. 240
90. 90.
90.
90.
minus 150, which is equal to 90.
90.
10.
10. 10.
90
10.
minus 80 is equal
10.
to 10. And then very important,
0. 0.
10, which is equal to
0.
0 कैसे? खुद सोचो. 60 या 60 से ज्यादा. अब यहाँ पे कुछ भी दिया नहीं है, वो क्लास ही नहीं है. 60 to 70, it means that is more than 60 or equal to 60 is 0. All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
Now,
yes, sir.
लेस देन में हर एक को ऐड कर लो और मोर देन में सबको माइनस कर दो.
Subtract.
पहले के लिए केयरफुल रहना. सबका सम हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We do one more sum that is very interesting, and this is from the exercise what I have selected for you, that is section E, question number 5, page number 63. Now this is a typical sum. Please mark this important. The question: obtain less than type and more than type cumulative frequency distribution from the following frequency distribution. Now, classes are given 25 to 29, 29, then 30 to 34, then 35 to 39, then 40 to 44, then 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. First of all, my dear students, please tell me this is what type of
Inclusive.
is inclusive frequency distribution. Inclusive frequency distribution यानी क्या? When we do the tally mark, 25 भी लेंगे, 29 भी लेंगे, 30 भी लेंगे, 34 भी लेंगे, 35 भी, 39 भी. But in previous sum, what we did was 25 to 30 में 25 लेंगे, but 30 नहीं लेंगे, 30 लेंगे बट 35 नहीं लेंगे, 45 लेंगे पर 50 नहीं लेंगे, 50 लेंगे पर 55 नहीं लेंगे. तो यहां पे इसे हम कहते हैं इंक्लूसिव फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. नाउ प्लीज पे अटेंशन, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, व्हेन यू विल डू chapter number 3, this concept will again come. If it is inclusive, then you have to first convert it to exclusive. So how we will do it? Let's understand this first and then we come back to this sum. Now, ध्यान देना सब. Say for example, you are given classes like this: 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. These are all inclusive classes. Now you want to make it exclusive. So for inclusive to exclusive, what you have to do? पहले इन दोनों का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है कि 19 और 20 का डिफरेंस क्या है. What is the difference between 20 and 19?
1.
20 minus 19.
1.
20 minus 19 is how much?
1.
1. 1.
1.
I hope किसी को इसमें डाउट नहीं है. Okay, 29 minus 30 is how much? Difference is how much? 29 और 30 का?
1.
1.
40 and 39.
1.
50 and 49.
1.
वाह वाह, सुपर. चलो बहुत बढ़िया. अब ध्यान दो, सबका डिफरेंस, यहाँ का अपर लिमिट और यहाँ का लोअर लिमिट, क्योंकि इन दोनों में सिमिलरिटी नहीं है. अगर ये एक्सक्लूसिव होता तो क्या होता? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. पर यहाँ पे 10 to 19, 10 भी इंक्लूड, 19 भी इंक्लूड, 20 भी इंक्लूड, 29 भी इंक्लूड. तो हमें क्या करना है? We want to convert this to exclusive. So what we do? इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है, that is 1 divide by 2, which is what? 0.
0.
तो हम क्या करेंगे? ये जो अपर लिमिट है उसमें से माइनस 0.5 कर देंगे. ये जो लोअर लिमिट है उसमें से माइनस 0.5 कर देंगे, और ये जो अपर लिमिट है उसमें प्लस 0.5 कर देंगे. सो ये यहाँ पे हो जाएगा माइनस 0.5 और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा प्लस 0.5. तो ये सब में माइनस 0.5 और ये सब में प्लस 0.5. तो करके देखते क्या होता है. 10 minus 0.5 is 9.5. 19 plus 0.5 is 19.5. 20 minus 0.5 is 19.5. 29 plus 0.5 is 29.5. Can you tell me ये कौन सा क्लास आएगा? Can
29.5 and 39.5.
39.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5,
49.5.
59.5 to 59.5. All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
This what we have found are known as boundary points. So this becomes the upper boundary point and this becomes ये है upper और ये है lower boundary points. तो हमने क्या किया, इंक्लूसिव को कन्वर्ट कर दिया इनटू एक्सक्लूसिव. So 10 to 19 became 9.5 to 19.5. Now you can see there are repetition. So this is our exclusive frequency distribution. सबको ये पता चला?
Yes, sir.
सबको ये पता चला? Okay. Now,
Yes.
now. Let's go back to our sum. Yes, Dave, you are right. We have to subtract 0.5 on the lower limit and we have to add 0.5 in the upper limit. Now, over here, make the format. First, we write inclusive. Then we keep a space over here. From inclusive, we convert to exclusive. Then number of person, frequency, then less than and cumulative frequency. Over here, 25 to 29 is inclusive. Then you have 29 to 30, 34 to 35. So the difference is again 30 minus 29 is 1. So 0.5, 0.5 we deduct from 25. So we get 24.5.
24.5 to 29.5.
Now you may say कि सर ये क्यों करना है, नहीं करेंगे तो नहीं चलेगा. नहीं चलेगा. ओके, ये कंपलसरी. अगर तुमने ये नहीं किया और डायरेक्टली ये फाइंड कर दिया लेस देन टाइप, लेस देन 29, लेस देन 30, लेस देन 35, so that will go wrong. So you have to convert it to exclusive. So then 29.5 to 34.5 to 39.5. 39.5 to 44.5, 44.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 54.5, 54.5 to 59.5. So this is compulsory. You have to do this. Now, less than. Now, here again you have to start from here the lower limit of the first class, that is 24.5, 24.5, then 29.5, then 34.5, then 39.5, then 44.5, then 49.5, and then 54.5, and then 59.5. Now, cumulative frequency. So now you know the trick how to do it. So first one, less than
0.
24.5 is 0. Then 29.5, 0 plus 3, 3
3.
plus 8, 11, 11 plus 10, 21, 20
21.
plus 5, 26, 26 plus 15, 41, 41 plus 8, 49, and 49 plus 1 is 50. So this 50 should match with this 50. So this is how we prepare a less than cumulative frequency distribution for inclusive class. We first convert it to exclusive and then do it. Similarly, more than, again the same concept. So again you write all these things once again, make the format. These are the inclusive classes. You make it to exclusive classes. Already we have done it over here. More than type. So let's start again. Lower limit of the first class 24.5, 29.5, 34.5, 39.5, 44.5, 49.5, 54.5, and don't forget 59.5. Cumulative frequency more than equal to 24.5 are all of this. So total is 50. Then 50 minus 3, 47. 47 minus 8, 39. 39 minus 10, 29. 39 minus 10, 29 minus 5 is 24. 24 minus 15 is 9.
9.
9 minus 8 is 1. तुम लोग ऐसे फिंगर रख के करना ताकि ऐसा जंबल नहीं हो जाए. Okay, for me doing on the screen is directly, but you put your finger and then start writing so that you don't make a mistake. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's it. This 0 should come over here because 59.5 या उससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है तो ये 0 आ गया. Less than में we started with 0, more than में we ended with 0. 50. This 50. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.